Here's how to communicate with AI to get better results. Most people communicate with AI by just texting a prompt to it and expecting a reply or an answer. You just give it the task, boom, and you're expecting an answer. But many times, and research shows that you don't get the best of these AI tools by just doing that. You get a better result by having a conversation with this AI. You communicate with the AI tool as though you want the AI to understand your problem or even help you understand your problem. So you can give it context. I am doing this and this is the problem I am facing right now. Are there any questions I should answer before I go ahead? Or are there things I need to know so that I can understand this problem better? You can ask the AI, and the AI will return the conversation to you. And if you're not clear, you can ask it, I'd like more clarity, or clarify this for me to understand better. So it's like you're having a conversation with somebody one-on-one, somebody who has the ability to help you, but now you have to make the person understand your problem. So you don't just go dump everything on the AI at once, all right? You can have a conversation. And in the course of the conversation, you're understanding bit by bit, because at the end of the day, you're not looking for just one big textual output. You're looking for something that relates with whatever you want it to do for you in a contextual note. So many times it's not just about generating a report or generating what you can print or generating an article and all that. You can use it to further understand the problem, further probe a situation, further generate ideas for something, and you can get along with that as if you had a conversation with a real person that gave you ideas and all that. Of course, you can judge some if you need to judge some. Other times you can just have them at the back of your mind and you can refer to them whenever you need them, and you just go about your normal task. All right. So AI is not just that robot or that machine that chunks things out like a search engine. It's not a conversational partner to solve problems because of the immense intelligence and knowledge it has been trained with, and it is continuously being trained with. All right. So if you go to AI on a conversational note, from step to step, precept to precept, you are very likely, and as research has proven, to get the results you want, and most times even better than you expected. Hope this was of value to you. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section. I'll be glad to engage with you thereof. And of course, see you in my next video. Subscribe.